So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to draw with me? Yeah, today you and I are gonna draw Morphle. Wow, Morphle is a fun character that can morph into many things. Yeah, like an airplane, a car, ooh, even a dinosaur. Cool! Okay, I'm gonna take the color red because Morphle is red. And I'm gonna start by drawing a big circle. Whoa, let's make a little gap right there. Whoa, and then his hair. Whoop, whoop, cute hair. And all the way down here. And then let's make a gap for the legs. Shall we draw the legs? Okay, go down like this. Yeah, and all the way around, but then straight up. Whoa! All the way down, all the way around, and straight up. There we go, and now let's connect. Yeah, and now we need his arms. One arm way over here, woohoo! Like he's saying hello. Whoa, and then one way over here. Woo! 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then we can connect that now. And now, what's he missing up here? Yeah, the thing's on top of his head. Let's go all the way around. Whoa, and then down. And then all the way around. And then down. All right, now we need his face. But I'm gonna actually switch to the color black. Whoa, we need to do 2 big circles for the eyes. Whoa, whoa, very big, right? And then a cute nose, and then a smile, just like that. Yeah, Morphle is a very happy person. Woohoo, there we go. And then we need to draw the inside of his eyes, just like this, all the way around, whoop, and then down. Then all the way around, and down. There we go. Now we can color him in. Whoa, whoa, that's okay. I went out of the line right there, but that's fine. It's still gonna look good. I'm talking too much. I went out of the line right there too. That's okay. There we go. How does Morphle look? Morphle looks like Morphle. Wow, that was so much fun drawing with you. If you wanna draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make